Hello friends, we welcome you all. Today we are showing you how you can create some beautiful things out of the sketch pens. Today we are going to make this butterfly, and with the help of the watercolor, see how we created the prints. This one is so good and easy, just give it a try. We are adding further details. Now let's come to our next activity. For this we are taking this pink color sheet of the paper, and after this we are just folding it and trimming it. Tassel type pattern has been created, then the stalk is added. It will represent a broom. This one looks so nice. Let's come to the another one. Here we are taking this pink color sheet of the paper that's square in shape. After that we are folding it and making some triangular shape as apparent on your screens. Then again we are creating some of the folds turns. As you can see, you can just pause the video so that you can clearly see what we are trying to make. It will represent a cute strawberry. You can create the another one by following the same steps. Add some of the emojis and the details. For our next activity, we are taking this pink colorful sheet of the paper, then we are folding it and just making the strips out of it. See how we are just bending these strips with the help of the double-sided tape. We are just attaching them in somewhat crisscross manner. This one looks so nice. Actually, we are trying to make a fruit out of the paper. You just need to pause the video so that you can carefully see how we are punching the holes, and we are just inserting the thread inside these holes that we have created. Then we will tie up it at the end and attach a leaf. This one is so good and nice. Go for this one. Next, with the help of the bubble wrapper sheet, we are going to make the corn. For this we are pasting this bubble wrapper sheet over the white sheet of the paper with the help of the glue, then filling it with the yellow color. Now we are making the base of the corn. It's the leaves that we have used from the green paper. This looks so nice. This activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the small kids. We are going to show you how we can create the mouth of the frog. This is so cute. Let's make a DIY clock. For this we are taking this green sheet of the paper and then cutting it down in somewhat circular shape, and the rest of the red and the white is also just trimmed in circular shape but somewhat smaller than the green one. After that we are making the hands of this clock with the help of the pink sheet. You may need scissors also so that you can cut them perfectly. This one is so easy and nice. We will now try to make some of the birds with the help of this black sheet of the paper. We are tracing down the shape. After that we are just cutting them and then pasting them on this white sheet of the paper, and in the background we are adding the leaves. These will denote the trees. This is so simple. This activity is very simple and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. For this you may require this red sheet of the paper. You can use any other paper. Also I am using the red colored one. You may require scissors also. This one is so easy and nice. Just go for this one. How perfectly we have made it. Next we are going to make the moon and the stars. This is a crescent moon. This activity is very simple and it's very less time consuming. You can just make it in just few easy simple steps. Thank you for watching our videos.